I popped by to visit my Hermes essay to pick up a few things, and they ran out of those big orange paper bags, so I got this huge white paper bag, which is so good quality that I actually like to keep them because I use them for other things. So I do have a few things that they are kind of unexpected because I actually went into the store to pick up a gift. It always happens because my essay will start talking and I say, hey, why don't I show you this? And I'm like, oh no. When they show me things, very likely I will like it. So anyway, let's do a little unboxing. Ooh. Alright, we have a tower of boxes. This is a true unboxing because I haven't opened any of it. I really just came back. This one is actually the reason I went into store. This is actually a gift. I don't know which video will go up first, whether that video will go up first or this video will go up first. Either way, if that video goes up first, I'll link it up here as well as down below. But this is a gift for Amy. It's actually a beautiful mug. I think it's the Art Deco mug, so I don't really want to open it. I will put a picture right here so you can take a look. It's a really nice little gift for her. I wasn't really sure of what I wanted to get. Originally, I was thinking like a scarf or a twirly, you know, some makeup or something, but when I went in, my essay's like, oh, I have something to show you. So this is not the first thing they wanted to show me. It's like, oh, why don't you get some houseware, homeware? I'm like, yeah, that's a good idea. So while my essay was showing me this, and I was like, that's gonna be a good, nice little gift, my essay pulled this out as well. So let me just put the rest down. This is not a shoebox. This is actually, oh my gosh, it's one of the mosaic pieces. Tess de Jenner, I don't know, I'm butchering that. But let's unbox it together. Actually, my essay showed me two versions, but this one was definitely one of them. Oh my gosh, okay. So, I got the set of coffee cups. Look at the size of this coffee cup. The artisan marking is a cup. So, I thought that was really cute. And it comes with two saucer plates, which are really good size saucer plates. Oh my gosh! When my essay took out the first box, they were actually the espresso cups, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm taking them. Then my essay says, oh wait, I think I have coffee cups, and it's bigger. So I was like, oh, bigger, I think bigger is good. So took these out and I was like, I don't think I want the espresso anymore, because the espresso, well, I don't drink just plain coffee. I usually take it with a bit of milk, and this is just so perfect. Isn't this like the bougie cup of coffee? We can like, oh my gosh, this is bougie. I feel like I need to collect a few more pieces, and it's just to enjoy, okay? It's not that I have the bougiest home. I don't. I spend all my money on luxury. I just love this. It's just nice. But having a cup of coffee just like this in a nice little teacup, you know, watching some YouTube. It always comes in a set of two. All this sponge to keep it protected. But you know, if you're thinking about buying a gift and you want to be like a bougie gift, isn't this beautiful? It's so pleasing to the eyes, and you know, somebody receiving this will be like, wow, that's bougie. Alright, the next two items are scarves, and these are just absolutely gorgeous. Thanks to Amy, this was introduced by her to me, and I was like, wow, they are so beautiful. Let's open it. Oh, anyway, I wanted to mention this. When I revealed this ring, I got some messages like, oh, that's a really nice ring. What size? This is from Anna Luisa. Not sponsored or anything. Well, I'll put it down below, but I really have been enjoying this. And I mentioned that this ring has my tattoos on it. Yeah, I've been really enjoying it wearing on my index finger. Somebody always asks me about this ring. I don't know which one is which. Both are identical, and I'll tell you why. I got two scarves. Let me just open one of it first. The best part of an unboxing is taking this out. Okay, so this is my piece, and wait till you see this scarf. My gosh, this scarf is absolutely gorgeous. Flowers that make up the horse. There's so many varieties of flowers. There's a sunflower, there's hydrangeas, there's roses, there's, I think this is a lily. It is divine, and I love this gray. It actually reminds me of Vert Almond. It's a bit green, it's got a bit of blue in it, it's got that gray. It's so stunning. So let me just figure out, how does Amy tie her scarf? She kind of showed me the other day, and then I think I wasn't paying attention. And then I forgot. Let's try it now. Oh, the name is here. Robe Legere. I guess you tie a little knot at the top. Then you hook it here. Is that right? I feel like I'm strangling myself. I think it's right. Gosh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. If I wear a bandeau underneath. Oh, I'm strangling myself. Maybe I tied it too tightly. The next scarf is from the same line, and because my essay said it's so popular, I decided to grab it because I'm thinking of doing like a giveaway in the future for this scarf because it really is beautiful. So the other color combination that I got is the white. This is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is a beautiful scarf. The colors are so much more vibrant, and it's, oh, if you wear this, like, look at it. Okay, I don't want to mess it up because I really am thinking of doing this as a giveaway. I'm just gonna lightly just roll it, and then, you know, let the colors just come out a little bit. This is just so pretty, you know, because there's a lot of white and there's a lot of color, so it doesn't maybe look so busy. It has a bit of, you know, softness at one side and just some vibrancy at another. So I thought this would make a really amazing giveaway in the future. You never know, right? Maybe when I hit 30,000 subscribers or something, and I'll do this as a giveaway. Of course, if I take forever to reach 30,000, maybe by then there will be a better looking scarf. And then, you know, I'll just keep it for myself, and then I'll just have two very beautiful scarves. But hopefully not. Anyway, that is the end of my pretty random, unexpected unboxing. I was not planning to buy any of these things, only the gift, and it was like spendy, okay? But anyway, if you enjoyed it, do give this video a thumbs up and help me with the channel and get it to 30,000 for a giveaway. I do hope you're subscribed. I would love to have you back on this channel, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when my new videos come up on YouTube. Anyway, you guys take care, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!